Hi guys, it's Jessalyn Marie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your makeup in 10 minutes or less. But first I have something super cool to tell you guys about. So usually my nails are just plain and boring and simple, but in this video they're all nice and I'd say painted, but they're not painted. Even cooler. So there are like nail stickers that you can get from ColorStreet, which I'll link that in the description. And they're not very expensive, honestly. Like, it's more expensive to go out and get your nails done and painted professionally. And you don't have to worry about these smudging because they're stickers that you can put on in like 10 minutes or less. So if you can do your makeup in 10 minutes or less, then if you wake up a few minutes earlier, then you can do your nails that morning too. And they come in all kinds of cool colors. I picked these out myself, and I picked out these like black like sparkly ones, and they're really cool and I like them. And as soon as you put them on, you don't have to worry about them drying, smudging, whatever. They're just on and they're done, and it's easy and great and simple. Yeah, and I've had these on for a few days now and they haven't shipped yet, so they stay on well too so far, so you should get them. Buy them, please. But yeah, I'll link that in the description. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started by spraying my face, and hopefully I won't get it in my mouth this time, so. Okay. Didn't get in my mouth this time. Alright, so next I'm gonna get some Neutrogena Hydroboost, and I'm going to put this on my face to help moisturize it. Also, I'm starting this off by, I just washed my face, so my face is nice and clean and ready for me to put makeup on. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and just color correct my face. So I use a green one to help conceal redness, and then I'm going to use a pink one to help conceal like dark spots on my face from acne scarring. Okay, so now that my face is all nice and color corrected, I'm going to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation. This foundation is super good if you're looking for something to apply super easy in the morning because it's not full coverage, so it's very easy to blend, and it's got SPF 15 in it, so it can help protect you from those dangerous sun rays, which don't want to get skin cancer. So, and then also if you want to use it full coverage you can, because it's like super easy to like build up, but I like it from a more of a natural look. I like to do it by just like putting it on my hand first, and then I'll dip my beauty blender in it, which is microfiber, and then I just blend it out of my face. I also like to apply foundation on my eyelids when I'm doing like a quick look in the morning because I do not have time for eyeshadow. So by doing this, it just makes my face look more even. So now that my foundation is on, I'm gonna go ahead and take some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and put that on my under eye just to help lighten my face up a little bit. So I just like to dot it a little right under my eyes when I'm doing a light coverage look because I'm not trying to look super cakey, so. Now that that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this Master Fix setting powder. It looks really well like in person, but if you're taking any pictures with flash, don't use this because did that and I was the next flashback Mary.
Hi sisters!
So, but in person it looks really good, so. I'm going to use a Morphe M439 brush. Next, I like to take a Morphe M501 brush to really help set the places that I can't get into with that big of a brush. So I really like to set my smile lines because those are the worst places that I crease ever. And then I set under my eye and my eyelids and my nose. Alright, so that whole part of the makeup process takes the absolute longest. So now it's all going to be quick and easy from here. So I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer and a Morphe M527 brush. If you don't have time for this step in the morning, don't worry about it too much if you're using like a light coverage foundation, but if you're using a full coverage foundation, you will look like a ghost if you do not use bronzer. So I like to apply this right here and just blend that upward. I do it super light though when I'm just doing a natural easy look in the morning because I don't have time to do like bronzer and contour and baking and all that stuff. So and then I'll apply a little bit on my forehead right here. And then under my jawline. After that, I'm going to be taking my blush from Ulta Beauty. I got this for free because I spent so much money. So, it says it's called Rose Blush, but that just kind of seems like a dumb, like, standard, stereotypical name. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M405 brush to just kind of lightly put that right above where I put the bronzer, just to help blend it out and make it look more rosy. Okay, so the main mistake people make when they're doing their blush is they'll apply it like right here. Don't do that. It looks more unnatural than if you weren't wearing any blush at all. So just put it like right here and then it looks nice and pretty and great. But if you apply that in the wrong spot, you done screwed up. So then, because I don't have time to draw on brows in the morning, I just take some Benefit Gimme Brow Gel. And I use the tinted kind, so I don't have to like take time wiping the foundation off my brows that I got all over them. And I can just apply the tinted kind and then you can't see it. Okay, so if your brows are wild like mine, this stuff really helps to like keep them in place all day long, which is really nice. So then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm almost done. I'm to the final steps. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and put on my favorite CoverGirl Clump Crusher mascara. Since I already have pretty like dark lashes, and I'm very fortunate for that, I don't really like to use a very thick mascara, otherwise my lashes will look really like clumpy and gross and disgusting. So I just like to use the Clump Crusher kind because it looks good. So Moving on to highlight, I use the Too Faced Rainbow Strobe highlighter, and I know everyone's like super over unicorns, and like I am too, but this highlighter is so good, so I use it. So I'm gonna take whatever kind of brush this is, don't know what it is, got it off Ipsy, but it looks like this, and I'm going to just apply that to my brush and spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. And then I apply it right here to my cheekbones, right here, to the tip of my nose, which is my all-time favorite place to highlight, and right here. And then everything's all nice and shimmery, and this is a really good highlighter because it's really pretty and like it's noticeable, but if you're going for like more of a natural look, it's not like blinding, which like sometimes you do want blinding highlight, but if you're doing a real light coverage 10-minute makeup look in the morning, you don't want blinding highlight. So I use that. And then finally, to end this, I'm going to use some, I don't know what brand this is, don't know how to say it, but I'm going to use some lip gloss because I do not have time to apply lip liner and lip kits in the morning, so I use lip gloss. I really like the ones with like sparkles in them too, just because like it just like enhances it, I don't know. Alright, so this is my quick and easy 10-minute makeup look, all complete. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you can use these steps to do your own makeup. Don't forget you can follow me on Twitter at JesslynMarie1, Instagram at JesslynMarieB, and my Snapchat is Jesslyn1001. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and buy some ColorStreet nail stickers because they're great.